I have a brand new wig that we're going to talk about today. I was able to customize so much of this wig, and it has some elements on it that I don't have with any of my other ones. But this one is from Lebeauty. You go to order a wig from Lebeauty, you can make a request online, or they have a Facebook group that you can see what their wigs look like. And then you can reach out to a couple of their, we'll say, people who kind of work for that vendor. This is from the manufacturer. And again, you can customize so much. So they have different color options, and I actually had them combine two color options. I will go through, I will post the details because I don't want to get any of them wrong, but this is a café color. But if you want a dark root, it's a Wendy root. So I combined those two colors together because I do have dark hair. I do have pulled forward my bio hair. And so I wanted that to blend in. So having that dark root is really nice, but I really wanted this beautiful dimensional blonde that wasn't too ashy, too yellow. And I really think that she came out perfect. It already cut the lace on her. There's no reason to do an unboxing. It came in a package bag and it came in a plastic bag with some netting on it. It wasn't anything that would stand out because you're ordering from the manufacturer. So the hair feels amazing. I will get into that in a minute, but let's talk about the cap. So for me, I requested this silicone liner. Most of my other caps do have a bit of a liner in it, but this one has silicone pieces. I probably can wear this wig without my wig grip, but this is just something I'm used to. It's a little bit of a safety net, so I'm not ready to give it up yet. But this has a nice silicone piece, so it's going to allow some gripping here at the top. Now this wig is fully hand tied, which means instead of wefting, so the rows that are going, you can even see my nails through it, going through the back, this is going to be hair that's been pulled individually through here. So when we have a lace top, those hairs are pulled through. That's going to be happening all throughout this wig. And then this is just the liner piece. That's going to offer two-ish, three different things. One, the wig is much lighter, very, very lightweight. And so I was very excited about that for summertime. Two, it's going to move much more naturally. The hair, when it's on your head, moves very, very natural. And then three, it allows for me to pull this hair up into a ponytail. When you have that wefting that goes straight across, you can't pull it up naturally. Maybe in a low ponytail, and that's perfectly fine, but now I'll be able to do medium to high ponytails. So having a hand-tied wig was really important. I also got ear tabs, and I got the silicone ear tabs. They're bendable, so it's very flexible in there, but it's going to allow this to sit very, very close to my head and make it more natural. Now, I do have my scar tape in here because one thing I did notice is that I was able to see a line from where this silicone hits onto, like, in this area. I didn't like that, but my scar tape makes that go away completely. Now, I did get bleached knots, but they are not, the knots aren't bleached quite like a Kylan wig. So they're very, very hard to see, but it's not as invisible. I wouldn't say they're invisible knots. I would just say that they have a light to high bleach to them. That has a benefit. So yes, if you're wanting a completely natural hairline, this shows a little bit more. But when you don't get your knots completely straight bleached, it allows for this hair to last longer. It's stronger. When you apply the bleach, it's gonna weaken that hair. So whereas my typical wigs will probably last me solid a year or two, this one I can fully see lasting me 3 to 5 years with good care. So you're giving something up, but you're getting something in return. Talking about the hair, I got the Euro hair. Now, there's so much discussion online about this, and who's to say if it's actually European hair, but it's about the texture, it's about the way that it feels. This hair feels very different than my other wigs, which is Brazilian hair. I have one here that I'm gonna show you, just a little bit of difference. People talk about how it's more uniform. See how dense this is and how it doesn't move quite as much as this one is very flowy. So it's still very soft. I can run my fingers through it very easily. It feels really nice, but it's just a little bit heavier of a hair. When you're getting things like European hair or Slavic hair, that's when you're getting into the lighter weight hair, and it's just going to move much different than when you're getting denser hair. There's also, I requested a back comb and I requested silicone at the nape. And this nape piece is much shorter than my other nape pieces. So I'm gonna put this wig on and we're gonna see what it looks like. When she came with a middle part. No styling was really done. I did request big layers to be put in it. So she came already pre-cut, and I really like their layers a lot. Let me get my comb here. Okay, so this, I need to look up the density and I'll add it up here on screen. I want to say it's 130% because that's my typical density that I like. And it does feel thinner than my other wigs. I feel like this cap sits so close to my head. And so I can easily ear tuck and you can't see it. It's sitting so nice, so close. Whereas some of my other wigs, there's ear tabs there. It might flip up. I have to really pull the kind of hair. I can ear tuck, but it's not as natural and seamless as an ear tuck with this wig. I need to pull out my bio hair on the side, but I want to show how close this sits. And then when I pull my bio hair, it completely conceals that side. So again, if I want to ear tuck over here, I absolutely can. So this wig is from Lebeauty, and you can see how just natural this hair moves. And again, I can ear tuck with no issues on the sides. Hair is not real bulky on top, but you can see if I kind of pull this back a bit that the knots are slightly more visible, but the lace isn't. I don't really see any lace, but I do cut my lace really pretty far back. But this is what the hairline looks like. Really, really close. I mean, I'm right up on the camera. If I pull back just a little bit, you're not seeing those dots. And then I do have my scar tape. I'll kind of pop my wig up so you can see where that scar tape is. See that? And that's where it sits, because I just found that right in here, I was still able, with that silicone top piece, I was still able to see my dark bio hair. This one was a bit more expensive, so I really wanted this one to last an extended amount of time. I am extremely pleased with this wig. It's not something that's going to take over all of my wigs. I really still love all of my Kylan wigs so much, but I think that this is an important piece to have because it's gonna last a really long time. The way that the cap sits on my head is it more just hugs everything. I find that with my other wigs, I'm sliding it on and it works great. This one, I'm maneuvering it to where it's more hugging the head. There are some adjuster pieces, adjuster hooks in the back, and I just adjusted those normally. But when I say that this is a wig that I can pull up, I'm gonna show the hair will move all the way up. I will have to pull out some of my own bio hair, but this is a wig that I can put into a ponytail. I just really like how this hair moves. I find that it's just a little bit more natural looking. So if you have any questions, I can always send information on who I reached out to specifically to have this one customized and made. It took 3 months. So I ordered it at the very beginning of January, and I just got this wig a couple of days ago. So if you need something in a pinch, this isn't it. But if you want something that's an investment, but it's not a multiple $1,000 investment, not multiple thousand. I paid $900 and something, but I normally pay $600, $700. So it's a little bit more expensive, but you get a lot out of that. And so I really highly recommend it.